So we are going to connect this Android on this so-called Colab. So I have to tell you, before starting this video, you have to understand you can't connect GPU in the Android. Actually, there are lots of darknet wrappers available over there, but for Python it is for automation. So you can bring lots of libraries inside and you can automate. You can compile darknet from scratch and you can do it. So this is what I was coming to tell in this video. So you have to follow some details which I have been telling this video, and the main thing is that when you just do this, you'll have a complete automation, but the code is actually written in Python 2. You have to convert it into Python 3 just by putting a bracket, where in Python 2 you don't have a bracket for print. That said, you can use this code for full automation in Python. You can compile it. So go inside the code and see. So connecting GPU with Android is not possible, but we are going to use this cloud GPU instance in Android. You may ask how to use Colab on phones. This is how you use. Actually, I have given you the website link. Please go and use it. So thank you. Please like, share and support. So I'm going to do some tutorials, but you have to note that this Vim editor and Nano may be available in the Termux terminal in the Android. So we may format the code editor inside that. So using Android for this is because of the power consumption, it may be good. You can just keep on putting run all in the Android and you keep the phone aside. It will create the weights. You can sleep at night and you can get up in the morning and you can download the weights. But doing it on a CPU will consume lots of power, and all those things is a waste of time. So, and other thing I have to tell you that before Colab, when my subscribers told me, there was a time when I was doing YOLO, doing everything from scratch. So that is the correct way of doing machine learning and deep learning. You have to install everything by scratch. Doing YOLO or the Python is just pip install. You just run CUDA, it just runs fine. But there are lots of terminologies in that. So using Linux for programming is a better choice. But for, I don't know about other things, web deployment or anything. Okay, so I will surely make a video on that also, but I don't have any idea. But follow these things, it will be good. And thank you for your cooperation. Please tell your friends and everybody to subscribe our channel, because lots of fun things are going to come after this. So let's do something wonderful. Okay, thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, I welcome you to the other tutorial. So I'm going to run this on Android. So as you can see, this is an Android one. So now what happens is that I'm going to use this Android to run Colab, and we can use GPU on Android. This is so funny that how can you use GPU on Android. Actually, this is a cloud session. You're going to use cloud GPU. So this was not available before. Now it is available. So now we can use it. So we are going to run this thing. So let's get here, go to the Colab. So this is the app. I will show you. Okay. So this is the app. Now you have to open it. Okay, and this is the session I have opened. So you can check in the browser. These are all the browser sessions. So you can check different types of things. If you want to open a thing now, or if you want to download it, you can just click this and you can download it, take it to a path and change all those things. If you want to view, it is hard to view, I think so. Okay, so it's hard to view. So it's actually we can view now. Oh, that's great. Okay, so you can change everything from here. So but it's a bit hard, so we don't want to change it. So let's keep it like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone the darknet and I'm going to use the GPU. Okay, on this one I'm going to hard press it, paste it. So now what happens is, just get out. So get here and type this exclamation, where are you? It's over here. Okay, now just run it. So it is cloning the darknet. So it's so soon has been done. Okay, soon be done. And now what it has done, cloned it very hardly. And now what you have to do is you can close it, and again you can just make another code, and you can see the browser files over here. Okay, darknet is over here. Okay, so now we have to change the CFG files and make files and everything, because we need a GPU acceleration. So you can just hard press it. Okay, you just go to the GPU and convert it to 1. Okay, no need of cuDNN because we need only GPU acceleration. The star has to be changed now. Okay, so let's click make file again. Okay, GPU is being activated. That's good. But for Tesla T4 architecture, you have to change the architecture code. So you can change for Tesla T4, you have to change to 75, but no need of doing it now. We will just GPU accelerate it. And now what you can do is, you can get here and just make it. Okay, so get to the folder. You have to go to percentage and type CD. Okay, and click darknet, DARKNET. Okay, and just click it. Okay, it has gone into the darknet. Close this and again just put this plus symbol and click make. Okay, plus this exclamation and click make MAKE. This is so wonderful that you can nowadays do even this GPU acceleration. Okay, make 77. An operator is missing. I don't know what is it. Okay, let's see. So the browser file, go to the make file 77. I don't know what is it. Okay, what kind of operator is missing? I don't know. Okay, what kind of operator? Okay, some kind of operator is missing. So let's clone another one. So let's get out of this. Let's go to AlexCAB. Okay, so in that it will be better to do. So CD and press dot and get out. Okay, now we are in the content. Now you have to go to this AlexCAB website. Where are you? And go here, go to the ALX AlexCAB YOLO-v4, and after going here you just go to this AlexCAB YOLO-v4. Yes, go inside again. Now you have to clone this darknet and you have to go here, view the code. So we have to clone it. So in order to clone it, view the code. So git clone AlexCAB. It will be better to do git clone. Okay, manual wiki. You also have Colab for this, and also moreover you can access Colab over here. Okay, not to say about that. So now what we can do is, we have to get this file. So we are not able to download it. Git clone, we have to use git clone. Okay, don't know what was the problem. So this make file was an error. It shows 77 error. So let's rename this darknet and download another one. Okay, so rename this because we need another one. Okay, it has been renamed. Now let's git clone another one. Okay, and it's right. Copy this. Let's make another one. Now close this, put here, because running this on Android is a really tedious task because you don't have any mouse or keypad, but you can use it because you don't want to put your system for a long time. Okay, but using your the phone would be not a difficult task. So let's run this. Okay, again we have done it. So now I'm going to say you how to Python wrapper, use a Python wrapper and everything. So again you just do this. Now you get here. You know that GPU is available. We don't want to just make mess it. So even though we will try it afterwards, may clean it and try it afterwards. Now what you have to do is you have to get here. Let's first make it with normal one, MAKE. Okay, and just click it. Okay, note, because we are not inside the darknet folder, CDDARKNET. Now you have to just close it, CD, and put this percentage CD and get out of TIFF. And now you are inside the darknet. And now what you can do is you can make it. Okay, put exclamation and put MAKE. So it will be a better idea to do this because as it is compiling. Okay, let it compile. It will take some time because we are compiling it for a processor and not for a GPU. Okay, so it has been compiled. So now you have to note that when you come inside this, you have to note a special kind of file for making a Python wrapper. Okay, and for example you have to get here and just type ls. Okay, this is a hidden file, so you have to note that libdarknet.so is a hidden file, this file. Okay, this is a hidden file. You have to copy this into the Python folder as I am showing you here in the here. You have to copy this into this Python folder. Okay, because it will be good. So now copy path. Now you just close this and get here. Type in this manner. Okay, CP and what you are going to do is you are going to copy libdarknet.so. lib.so. Okay, right, libdarknet.so to this folder. So just paste this into the Python's folder. Okay, so this is the where to get a Python wrapper you have to do this. So just copy this. Okay, no such file because we have not given the path, no. So you have to check it again. Go to the browser and libdarknet should be there, but it will not show because libdarknet.a would be showing up. So libdarknet.so should be copied. Okay, so this is how you have to make a Python wrapper. You have to copy this file. If you have a local system, this should be copied. Okay, so this is how. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do the next part. We are going to this is for making a Python wrapper. Just copy this. As you can see, it is showing up. This is a hidden file, so you can access it on the Colab, but you can do with a Python wrapper. Okay, so you just copy this libdarknet.so that is being shown into this Python folder. Okay, this into this. Okay, you have to copy this into this. Now what you have to do is you have to change it. So in order to change the make file to GPU compilation, so now what we have to do, we have to put this AKE make clean. First we have to clean. Okay, so first make clean it. Okay, right, everything is being removed. Now you have to go here, show in the browsers. Okay, file browser and go to the make file. and just put GPU as 1, and even you have Kudanan as 1. Okay, and also you have OpenCV. If you want, you can enable the OpenCV. Okay, and you have Tesla T4 architecture. So this should be the star thing should be gone. Okay, you can just tweak between this. So it is being saved now. Just close this. Now what you have to do is, you are inside the darknet folder. Get here. So we are going to compile this for GPU. Okay, and now let's run it. So it is showing this file 77 makes 77 error because it is being done on a JavaScript. So this is not possible. You can do it on a normal thing. Okay, you can have this and download it and change it. Okay, this is how you run Colab on this and make a Python wrapper. So in order to make a Python wrapper, you have to understand that after you make it, this hidden file would be shown. Okay, you have to copy that .so file, and this Python wrapper over here, I have to tell you another thing. So in this, actually in the Python, you have this darknet. Okay, so this is built for example, Proverbot is built. This is an advanced example of this darknet. You can use it for theorem proving. Okay, in Coq library. If somebody has a Coq dataset, please give me. So in this, what you can do, this is given in Python 2. You can change it, and you can use automate darknet in C into Python. Okay, the only thing you have to understand is that you have to copy this darknet.so into this Python folder. So it is available in here, but it is hidden. But in local system, offline installation, it will work good. Okay, thank you. Please support, and bye.